I'm going to show you how to create a mind map using bubble.us. You're going to click on register, go underneath the free column, click sign up, click on sign up with Google at the bottom. Make sure that it's your Monroe Gmail address. And it's going to pop up to upgrade your account. You don't need to do that. So if you click the X by register, that'll take that off there. Click on new mind map. It looks like I created too many, so we're going to go to one of my mind maps here. So this is what's going to pop up for you when you say click a new mind map. So in the middle, your main subject, you're going to want to write your business name. And remember, this is a fake business. So I made up one called Exhale Ceramics. And now what we want to do is add things in here, add branches in here that are actually called childs on this part. But if you add a child, you're going to notice that it creates a new branch. So what you want to do is think of anything that has to do with your business. So for Exhale Ceramics, I want to offer classes for clay. So then I click off of there and you'll notice that's the branch there, and you can move these around to help you organize. So then if you hold over Exhale Ceramics again, add another child. I also offer studio space for artists who want to have just a location to work on their clay. So I'll move that around. Again, roll over Exhale Ceramics, add a child. I also have a storefront, which means people can just walk into my store off the street, and they can buy things, they can inquire about the classes or the studio space. And then the last thing that I offer is a gallery for ceramic artists to show off their work. So if you notice, I've kind of made this look nice. You can change the color, you can change the font, but your main goal is to keep adding branches to get more and more visuals. The more images that come to mind that you type in, the easier it's going to be to create a logo. That's the whole point of doing this, is to help you think of images to use when creating a logo. So when I think of classes, I'm going to add another child. I think of things like hand building. That's just building clay with your hands. So I'll move that over here. I also think of wheel throwing. So if you don't know what that is, it's where people throw a pot on the potter's wheel. So I've got visuals for that. You can even have more branches off here. So for wheel throwing, I even think along the lines of, well, a visual would be the actual wheel. Another visual might be the clay. Maybe for hand building, a visual could be clay tools, different clay tools that are available. Over here, let's see, over for gallery, I might think of something along the lines of professional. You move that over there. I sell things, so I could do like a for sale sign. That's a visual. So just keep in mind that the whole idea of this is to think of images that are associated with your business. And once you're done with this, you can actually go up here and you can save it. You could save it as a JPG image like we're used to doing. So if you click that, give it just a second. And on my computer, it brings it down here, so I can open that up. On yours, it might take you somewhere else. But overall, you get the idea that it'll take it somewhere else, and you can actually, make a copy, save it, do what you need to with it. But what I want you to do with yours, once you save it as a JPEG, is I want you to put it on your Google Sites under Project 3. That way we can kind of see your thought process for your logo design. And that is all I need you to do for your mind map.